Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the loops, while loop, do while and the difference between while and do while loop. This is the most confusing topic I think. So now let's start. What is loop? A loop executes the sequence of statements many times until the stated condition becomes false. The condition becomes false, then it will stop executing that code. But until the condition is true, it will execute. A loop consists of two parts. A loop has two parts, a body of the loop and the control statement. A control statement is a combination of some conditions that direct the body of the loop to execute until the specified condition becomes false. If the condition becomes false, then it will not execute. But till the condition is true, the body will be executed. The purpose of loop is to repeat the same code a number of times. The main purpose of loop is to execute the same code a number of times, 2 times, 3 times, whatever times, until any condition is fulfilled, any number of times that we want. Now what is while loop? A while loop is the most straightforward looping structure. It is an entry control loop. The question may be asked, what is the other name of while loop? So it is entry control loop. Now the reason behind why it is called entry control loop. In a while loop, a condition is evaluated before processing a body of the loop. Only on the basis of the condition, the body is executed, and before processing, the condition is evaluated. If a condition is true, then and only then the body of loop is executed. If whatever condition we have written that is true, then body will be executed. Otherwise, it will not be executed. After the body of a loop is executed, the control again goes back to the beginning and the condition is checked. If it is true, then the same process is executed until the condition becomes false. Once the condition becomes false, the control goes out of the loop. Till the condition is true, the body will be executed. If the condition is false, it will go out of the loop. In a while loop, if the condition is not true, then the body of a loop will not be executed, not even once. So this is the syntax of the while loop. How we write the while loop? First we write the while, then we give the conditions, then under braces the statement, or we can say the body. Then we close the braces. What is do while? A do while loop is similar to while loop except that the condition is always executed after the body of a loop. The difference is in the while loop the condition is evaluated first, but here the condition is always executed after the body. It is also called the exit control loop. So by the name also it is clear. While loop is entry and do while loop is exit. In the do while loop, the body of loop is always executed at once. In the while loop, if condition is true, then only the body will be executed. But in the do while loop, it doesn't matter. The condition is true or not true. The body will be executed at least once. So the question may be asked, in which looping statement the one execution of body will be happen not depending upon the condition. So it is the do while loop, because here the condition is checked after the processing of the body. After the body is executed, then it checks the condition. So the main difference is clear. If the condition is true, then it will again execute the body of a loop. Otherwise, the control is transferred out of the loop. So what is the syntax? We have seen the syntax of while. Now we will see the syntax of do while. First we will write the do braces body. then while, then whatever the condition or expression. Now we will see the difference between the while and the do while. In while, it checks the condition first, then execute the statement. First it will check the condition, then whatever the condition, whatever the body is written, it will go to body and execute. This while means this is the do while. Do while loop will execute the statement at least once. It will not execute. First it will check. But in the do while, it will execute at least one, then the condition is checked. The second difference is while loop allows initialization of counter variables before starting the body of a loop. Do while loop allows initialization of counter variable before and after starting of the loop. It will initialize before, but it will initialize before and after. Now with the name also it is clear, while is entry control loop and do while is exit control loop. While entry control and while exit control, that we have already seen. In this loop, the condition is mentioned at the starting of the loop. In the starting of the loop itself, while, then condition, it is mentioned. But in the do while loop, first we will write the do, whatever the statement we need to execute, then we write the while and condition. The loop condition is specified after the block. After the block, the condition is written. Statement can be executed 0 times if condition is false. All depend upon the condition. If the condition is false, then the number of the execution would be 0 also. But here at least once the code will be executed. Now syntax we have already seen, while, condition, statement, and for do while also we have seen do, statement, then while. Okay. I think the difference between while and do while, it is clear to you all. And if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe and be with this channel for more knowledgeable video. Thank you.